Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this GOACC 5-piece trim removal kit. So this is a metal piece of tool for getting little hooks out and different things with a plastic handle. Now these are plastic pieces. I like that these are very sturdy. Now, I'm not going to be using these to take trim pieces off. I open up different products and things, and these are the tools that I need to use to open up plastic products. And the reason I got these is they're plastic, but they're very sturdy. See how sturdy that is? So that I can get in there and really pry open a different piece of product. Now these don't have quite the that edge is like a stepped edge for getting in and prying. This one, it's got like a little ramp. Same with this one. These two almost could be the same, but a little bit different. Now that one is metal. It's got little grippers for getting under those plastic things and popping those off. Let's just measure them about 8.5 inches. This big one, 7 inches, 1.5 inches. And that's about 8 inches. And the smaller ones are about 5 3/4. So lots of this is for really getting in something and prying it open. Again, very sturdy. That's what I liked about these. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.